Thank you, Mr. Speaker, and thank you for allowing debate on this issue. Thank you for allowing discussion from both sides of the aisle. Thank you for allowing us to discuss this. I appreciate it very much. Someone asked me the question, not on the microphone, but they asked me the question, how this amendment and this legislation is different from what we have passed previously. And I'd like to take an opportunity in my closing remarks to just address that, because I think it's a valid question. We have in the past, because of the science and the data that was available to us at that time, we have passed a ban at 20 weeks. From that time, there has been additional science, additional data, additional medical information that has been able and has been presented to this chamber that shows it is able, that science is able and medicine is able to detect life at even an earlier stage. And when that is made aware, then I feel that we have an obligation to continue to promote that culture of life that Chairman Smith talked about. It is so imperative, it is so important, and as I stated earlier, I truly do believe that at the end of the day, this is a common sense piece of legislation. Because, ladies and gentlemen, I know that no one on this House floor, no one that represents the people of Tennessee in this chamber is in favor of killing an unborn baby. Nobody's in favor of that. Nobody's for that. And that's why I feel confident that this amendment and this legislation will pass. And I hope and I believe that it can pass and should in a very bipartisan manner. Because at the end of the day, that little baby inside its mommy's tummy is not a Republican or a Democrat. It's not a liberal or conservative. It's a baby. It's a little human life. And I think we can all come together as Republicans and Democrats and honor and cherish that life. And we can do that together. So let's do that together, ladies and gentlemen. Let's stand for life together. Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I hope everyone will vote in favor of Amendment 5 for life.